Welcome back to my channel, Crystal Bradley. My name is Crystal. This channel is where I empower you to take charge of your life. Today we are going to tackle a topic that affects us all, that's that pesky thing called time management. It's time to manage your time like a pro and become the master of your schedule. So grab your favorite coffee and let's dive right in. So picture this, I know it won't be hard to do. You have a million things to do, but only 24 hours to do it. You created your to-do list for the week, but you still have tasks that you haven't completed from last week. Not only that, you have a household to take care of, a family, friends. Seems like there just isn't enough time in the day. Does that sound familiar? Well, fear not, we've got that covered with 5 incredible ways to manage your time like a pro. So the first tip is embracing the power of time blocking. This technique doesn't get enough credit. Think of your day as a collection of time boxes. Assign specific tasks to each hour, which looks like a time block of time, right? And set a time limit to complete it. It's like Tetris for your schedule. By breaking down your day into manageable chunks, you'll not only increase productivity, but also leave room for well-deserved breaks. Trust me, you'll thank me later. The second tip today to conquer your time management is, I would say, everyone get yourself a planner. No, I'm just joking. Don't get a planner at all. Everything is digital now. Just use your Google Calendar or a digital app to start mapping out your day. Set your goals, prioritize tasks, and add a touch of color to make it pop. And know which color is for your must-to-do tasks versus the tasks that can get done, a little later on in the week. Not only will you have your calendar with you all the time because it's digital, but the digital calendar will give you hourly reminders so you can set yourself a buffer to know when you should start finishing up on the tasks that you're working on, okay? Then all you have to do is enjoy the satisfaction of crossing off completed tasks. Plus, it's simple. You no longer have to carry around a clunky planner. The third tip today, now I'm not suggesting that you join the circus, but it's kind of like a juggling act, right? But learning to juggle tasks effectively is key to managing your time. Identify the critical tasks that require your immediate attention and then sprinkle in some of those less demanding tasks. By alternating between them, you'll be able to maintain your momentum and avoid burnout. Remember, it's all about finding balance and keeping all those balls in the air, right? Now, I'm not saying to do, these tasks all at the same time. Again, what I'm saying is you need to schedule your high priority tasks and your low priority tasks in your day with specific time to focus on them. So tip number 4, efficiency overload. Ever find yourself taking twice as long to complete simple tasks? It's time to kick that habit, okay? Streamline your routine by identifying time-wasting activities and finding ways to eliminate or delegate them. Automate, delegate, and outsource whenever possible. You'll be amazed on how much time you'll have and how much time you'll save, leaving you with more room to focus on what truly matters in your life. Okay? This particular tip for me, it's priceless. I know there are so many people out there that just don't do that. For me, it's cooking. I would say I spend way too much on delivery and Uber Eats, but not spending so much time in the kitchen helps me spend way more time with my son, which is absolutely priceless, and I get more work done, which only improves my day and allows me to be more efficient. Okay? So our final way to do it, step number 5, is definitely pushing the pause button. Yes, you heard that right. Sometimes hitting the pause button is the best thing you can do for your productivity. Take breaks, relax, recharge your batteries. Remember, you're not a machine, you're a human being. By allowing yourself moments to unwind, you'll return to your tasks with renewed energy and with sharper focus. So go ahead and feel free to press that pause button, guilt-free, okay? And there you have it, everyone. 5 ways to manage your time like a pro. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, keep conquering your schedule and living life to the fullest. Stay empowered. Bye.